How to get Temu sign up bonus. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can get sign up bonus on Temu. So after opening up Temu app, just click on U at the bottom and over here you need to click on the settings. After that you need to click on this option of country and region, then scroll down to the very end and select United States. After that just get back and get back again. And this time you will be able to see this option of earn credits and free gifts. Just click on it, then select any of the offer that you want to, as we will be redeeming it, and for every sign up we will be getting some points and we can redeem them in our PayPal directly. So this is the one, and there are some others as well. You can just choose them according to your needs and requirements. All you have to do is just refer a friend. As soon as your friend signs up using your code, you will be getting some points, and after that you will just spin it and you will get the amount in your PayPal account. And this is how easy it is to get sign up bonus on Temu. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.